Taha Convent School CBSE curriculum. Subject English. Topic Bird Talk poem. Lesson number 3, class 3. Assalamu alaikum student. Today we will start the poem Bird Talk. Name of the poet is Alan Fisher. So student, this poem is based on the conversation of two birds, Robin and Jay, who were sitting in the garden where they in discussing how they differ from human beings. So student, read aloud this poem. Bird Talk. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feather at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wire and things. Things said the robin, things said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Now students, start with the first stanza. Things said the robin, things said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. So student, this stanza tells us that there are two birds, robin and jay, and they are sitting in the garden and they are talking to each other. Robin bird and jay bird talking to each other while sitting in the garden. Robin bird tells jay bird to think, and jay bird tells robin birds to think. Now second stanza. Think about people, the way they grow, they don't have feather at all, you know. Now student, what they are telling to think about? What they are telling to think about? Now the robin birds say, think about the people, the way they grow, they don't have feather at all, you know. Now the robin birds is telling to jay birds to think about the people, to give thought about the people at all the way they grow, how the women grow, and the birds say they don't have feather at all, you know. So student, now the robin birds telling jay bird that the human don't have feather. Do we have feather, student? No, we don't have feather. So the robin birds say that the human do not have feather. They grow up just like that without any feather on them. Okay. Now third stanza. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on the wire and things. Now in third stanza, the jay birds say they don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on the wire and things. So now this bird is telling the robin birds that the human do not eat beetles. Student, beetle is a type of insect, so we do not eat beetles. Beetle is a small insect that are eaten by the birds. They don't grow wings. Now the jay bird is telling to robin bird that the human do not have wings on their bodies like they birds have. When the small birds are born, even they do not have wings, but gradually wings start to grow on the birds, but wings never appear on the human. So the jay bird is telling to robin birds to think that human not eat beetles and they do not grow even wings on their bodies, then they don't like to sit in the wings and things. So now the jay bird is telling that the human don't like sitting on wires and things. Student, you must have observed the birds around your house on roads while traveling and many others time. So while we travel, we observe that on the wires on the road, the birds like to sit there. So like to sit and on a different places and a different things. But we as a human being cannot sit on the wires and things. Okay. So on other places, so we cannot do like this. So student, we are a human being, we cannot do all these things, not eat beetles, we cannot grow wings, and we cannot go and sit on wires and things and many other things that birds do. We cannot do like this. Okay. Now fourth stanza. Things said the robin, things said the jay, aren't people funny to be that way? So the student, the robin birds and the jay birds are again telling each other to think about what? Think about the people, that the way they grow. Birds find human being funny. They are finding human being funny because they do not have feather, they do not eat beetles, they do not eat on wires. They means the human being. Okay. And the things and many and other things that birds can do. So the birds find us funny this way, and the student birds feel that they enjoy more freedom than human being, as they can fly away with their wings to any places. Okay, and they want, but human cannot fly, right? Human cannot fly because we don't have any wings. Because we don't have any wings, so birds feel that they are more free. Okay, to move, they can move here and there, anywhere, wherever they want they can go. So they are very lucky, they have feathers and wings. So I hope you all enjoyed this poem, student. Just read out this poem. Thank you.